Hello and welcome to Grab and Eat. Today we'll be making a delicious spaghetti recipe with a ground mushroom sauce. Let's get started. We're going to start by cutting 2 pounds of fresh king oyster mushrooms into smaller pieces. Then we're going to process them using a food processor. Your king oyster mushrooms should look like this when you're done processing them. The next step is to add your ground mushrooms to a cast iron skillet set to medium-high heat, then spread them around so they can cook faster. Let them cook on medium-high heat for about 10 minutes, but make sure to move them around every 2 minutes or so. After 10 minutes, add some avocado oil and mix again. Now we're going to let our mushrooms cook for another 5 minutes on medium-high heat, and once they're done, we're going to move them to the back of the pan. Add a splash of avocado oil to the bare part of the pan, then add 2 heaped tablespoons of tomato paste. Add a 1/4 cup of water over your tomato paste and give it a good mix. Now we're going to drop our heat to medium heat, then let it cook for 10 minutes. After cooking for 10 minutes, mix your mushrooms and tomato paste together, then add 1/2 cup of water. To the sauce, you want to add some sea salt, then adjust to taste. You also want to add some dried thyme and some granulated onions. Add 2 tablespoons of ground coriander seeds and 2 tablespoons of ground fennel seeds. Add 1 teaspoon of dried oregano leaves and some cayenne pepper. Finally, you want to add a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder. Next, you want to peel, slice and chop a large red onion and add it to the sauce. Give it a good mix, then we can prep and add the next ingredient. Next, I'm going to slice and dice 1 large red bell pepper. You can also slice and dice 1 green bell pepper if you wish. Add your diced red bell pepper, then add a 1/4 cup of water. I keep adding water to the sauce because tomato paste is notorious for soaking up water and you don't want to end up with a dry sauce. Over here, I have 2 cups of an Alkaline approved tomato sauce. If you want to learn how to make this, click on the link above. And if you want store-bought, click on the link in the description box below. Add your tomato sauce and rinse out your bowl with about 1 cup of water, then add it to the skillet. Give it a good mix, let it cook for about 15 minutes on medium-high heat, and don't forget to cover with a splatter guard. Next, we're going to slice and add 2 cups of portobello mushrooms. Reduce your heat to medium-low heat, then add your portobello mushrooms. While this is simmering away, cook and add your spaghetti. To cook your spaghetti, place a large pot on high heat, then add some water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then add some sea salt to taste. Today I'll be using 1 pack of spaghetti made from white spelt flour. If you're interested in using the same brand as I am, click on the link in the description box below. Add your spaghetti to the boiling water and cook until halfway done. Once your spaghetti is halfway done, you want to add it to the sauce and cook until al dente. Don't forget to give it a good mix and let it cook. Nothing beats spaghetti infused with the aroma of fresh basil. To trap in the strong aroma, I'm going to tear the basil with my fingers rather than chop it on a chopping board. Add your fresh basil leaf pieces, give it a good mix, and you're done. This is optional, but you can add some coconut aminos and adjust to taste. For our cheese replacement, you can grate some Brazil nuts over the top of your spaghetti. Alright, check this out. If you found this video helpful and you're looking for delicious plant-based recipes, please check out my other videos. And also, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all next week.